Hey there. So a lot of people have shared that one side on their AirPods 4 A and C is not working. Now, when the AirPods are connected, either the left or the right side plays no sound, and the music keeps coming from just one side. If you guys are having the same problem, we're going to offer you some quick fixes to instantly solve this problem. Now, first of all, this problem can often happen if there is any pending firmware or software update on your buds. So we're going to check it from the settings. Go to your AirPods settings. Keep scrolling down till you find the version. Just remember the last 2 digits. Now after that, open up any browser and search for AirPod firmware version. Now go ahead, open up the first link provided by Apple support. Scroll down and find your AirPods 4's current firmware offered by Apple. If you think you're using the latest firmware version, then it's not a firmware update issue. Now, if you think your earbuds needs updating, keep both the buds inside the case. Make sure the lid is open. Then keep it nearby to the device it's connected to. Make sure your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi. And then, in just 20 to 30 seconds, it will automatically update the latest firmware in your AirPods. Next, what you can do to solve this problem is open up settings again to once again the AirPods settings. Now we will scroll down and search for accessibility. Enter. Scroll down to iPhone audio and visual settings. Now, first of all, if you're seeing the mono audio is turned on your device, just turn it off. After that, scroll down to the balance slider. Especially if the slider is selected to extreme left or right, there will be a no sound issue on one of your AirPods. So make sure to keep the balance slider right at the middle. Let me force quit this section. Now, apart from this might be a charging issue as well, especially if you frequently use just one earbud and we always forget to charge that one. So make sure both your earbuds are getting equally charged. And while we're talking about charging, why don't you just go ahead, clean your entire AirPod, including these connectors, so there won't be any charging issues. And also, don't forget to clean the inside of the case, these 2 slots as well. Now, just in case you are still having this problem frequently every now and then, now what you can do is just from the AirPod settings, just go ahead, forget the device. After that, make sure the buds are inside the case, take it into pairing mode or whatever you need to do to reconnect with your device once again. And see if that solved your one side not working problem. Now, some of you if still having the same problem, don't worry. Now we're going to just reset our earbuds. Make sure both the buds are inside the case. Now close the lid for a couple of seconds and then just go ahead, open it up. Make sure the LED is on. Now double tap 3 times under the LED. With 3 beeps, it'll start blinking orange LED. And in a few moments, it'll go straight into pairing mode with this flashing white LED. Just go ahead and reconnect with your device once again. And you know what? All the process we've shown you so far is enough to solve your one side not working problem on your AirPods 4 A and C. Thanks for watching.